Hi guys, in this video I will talk about a very general question. Are Squarespace templates free? So an honest answer to that question is yes. The templates available on Squarespace are totally free. So in order to prove that, we need to go to templates. Here you can see all the templates are free to use. You can choose whichever you like according to your requirements. You can apply a filter as well. For example, if you need to build a website for art and design, for fashion, you can choose anyone. So I like the first one, I'm gonna choose it. So not only these templates are for free, but you can edit and customize them as well. So here you can see that our template is ready to use and ready to customize. You can preview it as well. So in order to change its design and colors, we need to click on design on the left and then go to site styles. You can change the colors. You have a wide range of color palettes. So I hope you got an answer to the question. Thank you for watching guys. See you in the next one.